Hi and welcome back to my second tutorial on Python. The last tutorial we did was just your basic hello world and a quick introduction into Python, where to go to download it, and this time around what I'm going to do is we're going to talk about variables. Now for Python, a variable is just a container or a box that holds stuff. It can hold anything, string, float, int. And just to show you that, what we're going to do is we're going to create two variables, A, and we're going to set that to 5, and then we're going to set B equals to 10. And what we're going to do is we're going to say A plus B, we have 15. A minus B, we get minus 5. Or B minus A, 5. So A times B, then B divided by A. Okay, so you get the idea. Another type of variable, well, you can use strings. So we'll just create a string called I like spam. And as you notice, I'm using single quotation marks, but I could also use double quotation marks. It doesn't really matter. But I'm just going to say I like spam. So we hit enter and we hit S. I like spam. So that's my string. Let's see what happens if we try to say A plus S. Okay, we get an error because you can't actually, in a lot of programming languages, that would actually concatenate the two variables, but unfortunately in Python that doesn't work. There is a way. What you can do is you can say something like this. So print, okay, so we're going to say this. Is an int, so I'm actually going to use the double quotation marks here. This is an int, and then this is a string. And what we can do is we can just close quotation marks and go dot format, to spell it right, format, and then all we have to do is put in the order of things we want. So we want A and then S, and we just close the brackets again. So this should work if I hit enter. Hopefully I won't get any error messages. There we go. 5 is an int, this is a string. I like spam, and I spelled spam wrong. But it doesn't really matter that I spelled spam wrong because you get the idea. Let's just change it. So S equals I like spam. There we go. So that is really all you need to know about variables. That you can like assign them to things. You can actually assign functions. You can assign the return value of a function to a variable. That's a little bit more in depth at the moment for what I'm doing at the moment, but I'll probably show that in a future video. But at the moment, this is really all you need to know about variables, how to assign them, and the next thing I'm going to show you, and I think I'll show it to you in this video, is how to actually get input from a user. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new variable called input. Actually, this will be an example of getting input from the return value of a function. So actually, better not use input. So I'll just call it say. Okay, so we're going to say input, and then what we do is we put in the enter in something, anything. I don't care. So as you can see, I'm using double quotation marks here. So I can use a single quotation. Okay, so and then what we can do is so it says entering something I don't care. Whatever. Okay. And what we can do now is we can just say print. Say. And we print, it prints whatever. So that's how you can get input in from your user. You could do something, a very simple calculator. So yeah, so that's why not? Why don't we just do it now? So let's say we have x equals input enter a number. Okay. So we say 5. Okay, and now we'll do y equals input enter another number. Okay, so enter in another number, we'll say 10. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, let's just say print. Well, I suppose we can do it, we don't need to print, we can just say y plus, sorry, x plus y. And there we go. And to see what x is, we can just hit x. And to see what y is, we just hit y. So, okay. Hey, that's interesting. The reason why, yeah, okay, so it's actually, this is why I shouldn't do these things at night time. The reason why it's printing out 5 and 1 0 is because both of them as strings. So that's combining the two together. Now if we want to add them, we would have to change them. And that is where I'm going to stop for tonight. Or will I? I've gone this far, I might as well go further. So to change them, what we're going to do is we are going to say x equals int, okay, x. Should work, hopefully. Yeah, and y equals int y. So what we're doing, we're telling it to convert the string into an actual int. Now if we go x plus y, let's see what happens this time around. We get 15. So what I just done is I've just basically what they call casting. So I've just basically changed the value. And if you noticed, I used the exact same variable. So that's just proving that the variable is just a container. It doesn't care what's in it. You can put whatever you want into it. So I think this was a good little tutorial. I know I did make one mistake. That's because I'm not fully awake. But I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, like it, comment, and the next video I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create maybe a function, and also it's fun using the shell. The shell is usually only used kind of like as a kind of sandbox environment. Next time around, what we're going to do is I'll show you actually how to write an actual Python script, because it's a lot easier. And I'll also kind of show you some of the quirks about Python, especially when it comes to blocks of code. So that's what I'm going to do in the next video. I'm going to introduce you to probably at the end functions, and also show you how to do a Python script, and a little bit about how Python deals with blocks of code. It's quite different than other languages, and you'll see. You'll see. So, like I said, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, whatever. I don't really care. I'm just doing these videos for fun. I enjoy doing them. Anyway, thanks for watching, and talk to you later.